So, now see linear momentum. What is linear momentum of a body? Suppose you have got a body, or I have taken a body like this whose mass is m and it is moving with the velocity v. When the body is moving with velocity v, in that case you can take its product, that is called p is equal to m into v. This quantity is called linear momentum of this body. So, linear momentum of a body is defined as the product of the mass and its velocity. Linear momentum is a vector quantity, because velocity is a vector quantity, here the linear momentum is a vector quantity. For the linear momentum we take symbol here p. See here, the direction of linear momentum is along the direction of the velocity. SI unit of linear momentum, SI unit of linear momentum is mass is measured in kg and velocity is measured in meter per second. So, this is the SI unit of the linear momentum. Suppose you take example like a ball. If you have taken a cricket ball like this, it is here, its mass is m and it is moving with velocity v, it has got linear momentum p is equal to m into v. But if you take bus, also has the mass and it is moving with the same velocity as the ball is moving. So, bus will have larger linear momentum because its mass is larger. So, linear momentum is directly proportional to mass and directly proportional to velocity also.